Meditation focused on increasing energy in the body and mind for deep healing. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit or lie down undisturbed. Close your eyes gently and allow your body to settle. Let go of the need to do anything. This is your time to restore, recharge, and deeply heal. Take a slow, deep breath in. And breathe out fully. One more time. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly and completely. Allow yourself to be here now. Bring your attention to the top of your head. And gently scan your body down. Forehead. Eyes. Jaw. Neck. Shoulders. Chest. Arms. Down through your abdomen. Hips. Thighs. Knees. Calves. Ankles. And all the way to your feet. Feel the weight of your body being held by the earth. Allow gravity to ground you, Say silently, I am supported. I am safe. I am ready to receive healing energy. Now shift your focus to your breath. With each inhale, imagine you are breathing in pure life energy, prana. This energy is golden, vibrant, and alive. With each exhale, release fatigue, heaviness, tension, and mental fog. Inhale energy. Exhale exhaustion. Inhale clarity. Exhale dullness. Feel your breath becoming a bridge between your body and your inner power. Let it awaken every cell. Now visualize a soft golden ball of light above your head, glowing gently. This is the energy of the universe, calm, radiant, and powerful. With every breath, feel it slowly descending into your body. As it enters the crown of your head, it fills your brain with fresh energy, clearing mental clutter and bringing clarity. Let it flow down to your throat, energizing your communication and inner voice. Down to your heart, igniting joy, passion, and emotional strength. Feel the energy travel through your solar plexus, recharging your inner fire, motivation, and willpower. Let it move into your lower belly, healing your gut, your organs, and bringing grounded energy. It reaches your legs and feet, anchoring you to the earth with strength and vitality. Now imagine this golden light circulating through your entire body. Cleansing, charging, restoring every cell. Say to yourself silently, I am energized. I am clear. I am healing now. Feel this vibration becoming stronger, a quiet, powerful hum of wellness inside you. Now repeat these affirmations slowly in your mind and feel their truth as you say them. My energy is rising with every breath. My body is healing from the inside out. Every cell is alive, active, and renewed. I am connected to infinite universal energy. I am full of life, clarity, and vitality. Pause and feel the shift. Feel how your body feels now, more alive, more alert, more open. Begin to bring your awareness back to your physical space. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Bring a smile to your face. This is the energy of healing. Take a deep breath in and sigh it out. When you're ready, open your eyes slowly. Carrying this powerful energy and clarity with you into the rest of your day. You are healed. You are energized. You are whole.